Your orientation experience is almost over, and you only have to take care of a few more things to solidify your status as a student at the Florida State University. One of the bigger things to take care of is enrolling in courses for your first semester. This quick video will walk you through how to use the course registration system to your advantage and ensure you're in the courses you need. First, log in using your FSU ID at my.fsu.edu. Then, click the SC icon in the My FSU Links menu. Next, click the My Classes tile. Then, click Schedule Assistant. Now select the semester for which you're registering. If you're here for a Summer C orientation, you'll select Summer. If you're here for the Fall orientation, you'll select Fall. Here, you're encouraged to search smart and not hard by setting up some filters in the boxes along the top of the page. Open Classes Only in the Course Status field means that you're searching for courses with at least one seat that's available. You might need to change campuses to confirm that you're enrolling in the right campus. Confirm you're in the right academic career, which is undergraduate. Term should populate the right term you selected, and session will be the specific session that's offered for that semester. For students starting in the summer, you're likely going to enroll in courses that are in the summer term in Session C. For students starting in the fall, you can just select regular academic session. After setting up your search fields, use the Add Course button to start looking for courses. Your advisor already provided you with a schedule of courses to take for the upcoming semester. You could find them by first selecting the subject, which is the three-letter course prefix. You could type it in, or you can scroll down the list to find it. Once you selected a subject, then select the course number, or the 4 digits that come right after the course prefix. For instance, if your advisor suggested that you take ENC 1101, ENC will be the subject, and 1101 will be the course. You'll then get a little bit more detail about the course. Make sure you read this over and confirm that this is the course your advisor suggested before continuing. Once you're ready to continue, click Add Course. You'll then see it populate on the right side of the page under a Courses column. For freshmen enrolling in the fall semester, your advisor might have talked to you about enrolling in a freshman interest group, otherwise known as a FIG. If you were suggested to enroll in a FIG, click the FIG tab here and select the right section number, then click Add Course, and it will add all of the courses associated with that FIG. If you need to drop one course from your FIG cluster, you need to refer to your It's All Academic book in Appendix C for more information on how to do that. You may want to search by a certain liberal studies area, as your advisor may have said to take any kind of course such as one that satisfies an E-Series requirement or possibly an X or a Y diversity course. You could then use the Search by Liberal Studies tab to look for courses that meet those requirements. You would first select the attribute for the liberal studies area, then select the value. For example, if you need an X course, you would select the diversity attribute and then X as the value. Then it will start to populate all of the subjects that match that requirement. For instance, I could select ANT for the subject for anthropology and see that course 2000 Intro to Anthropology is available. You can then go back and add more liberal studies areas too. For instance, you might be suggested to take an ethics course that also counts as a Y for your diversity requirement. You would then select general education area and diversity as the attributes, then select ethics and Y as values, and then select the subject and then the course number. Once you're done adding your courses here, you just have a few more steps to go. Click Done, and now you're back on the main page, but now you can see the courses that you selected. You can click the eye icon to get a little bit more information about the course here. This will help make sure that you are planning to enroll in the right course per what your advisor suggested. If you find out it wasn't the right course, you can always remove it by clicking the X button. Next, you can generate some schedules to find your best schedule. Click Select All to select all of your courses, and then click Generate Schedules. Click View to see what one of these schedules would look like. And here you'll get a bit more class information as far as the meeting time, instructor, and location. Some classes might have information that says TBD under days and locations, which might mean that it's an online course. You can toggle between schedules by either clicking the left and right arrows along the top of the page, or you can actually press the left and right arrows on your keyboard. For class sections that work well for your schedule, or if you know that there is only one particular section you need to lock in, You can select the little padlock icon associated with the course, but it'll likely narrow down the number of schedules you can choose. Once you find a schedule you like, click Send to Shopping Cart. The next page will verify this section of the class. Some classes may have what is called a reserved capacity. This means it's reserved for certain student groups or students in certain majors. Unless you're in that group or particular major, you will not be able to enroll in that section, so you may need to find a different section. However, if this is all correct, you can click Next for the particular course, and after confirming the last course, you'll select Finish. Then you're in your shopping cart, where you can verify one last time that the courses and the schedule are correct. If so, you can click Register and then you are registered for your first semester at FSU. If not, you can always click Edit and go back and make any changes. We recognize that this video covered a lot of steps. Fortunately, as you will go to enroll in courses in a computer lab, you'll be around plenty of advisors and orientation leaders who can help answer questions. There will also be cheat sheets available if you need a quick reminder on how to search and enroll in courses. When you get back home, you could always log back in to make any additional changes to your schedule. Once you're enrolled, congratulations, you are officially a student at the Florida State University.